How to create a Google Chat account. Let's get started. First up, make sure you have already downloaded Google Chat app on your device. If not, you can head towards App Store or Play Store, search for the app Google Chat and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You will land on this kind of page. Click on the option of Get Started. With that, you're gonna find the list of Gmail accounts that you are using in your device. In order to create the account, all you have to do is toggle on for any of the Gmail account that you want to use for creating Google Chat account. In this way, after you toggle on for this option, you can click on Done. Chat would like to send you notifications. You can click on Allow. And just with that, your account will be created. So this was really simple and quick process. This is how you can easily create your Google Chat account using your Gmail. Once completion of account creation, you can use these features. This is how you can easily create your Google Chat account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.